Welcome to Sri Lanka. Well, finally, I've come to the hotel, and as I told you guys, I'm staying in a suite, a little private suite. I mean, it's not a big thing, but it's got a value for money. It's just, like $35. The Ala view. I mean, I got myself a good ass sofa. Of course, 2 more chairs, another bed, a bag. Of course, as I call it, what do I call this? The double bed. A mirror. Of course, some cupboard. Oh yeah, that's there with the room key and first aid box, and of course a phone, and a city view for just $35. I mean, this is flipping cool. Check this out. Flipping cool, straight from the room itself. And of course, for your man, got some water bottles, coffee and all that, and then a coffee machine as well, cups, coffee machine, comfortable bed. I mean, oh yeah, comfortable bed for your man, of course. Woohoo! Treating himself a bit. A nice bathtub with, and of course I don't want the bathtub with while I'm in the, I mean, I don't want to open the window, but yeah, got a nice view. I mean, I would not say anything bad about the view, because I mean, at least I can see the trees and the view and everything. It's really cool. Well, not bad for $35 here in LA. Comparing the prices of the other hotels, I mean, it's a good deal. Ooh, nice shower as well here. Ooh. Ooh. One thing that really, oh well, of course, a overhead shower as well. Water, I mean, yeah, it works. Really cool, hot water. Yeah, hot water, of course. And then some, this is the hotel, the view Alla, that's the hotel. It's really cool, and of course this price is with bed and breakfast. Of course, a commode, really cool, eh? This is flipping cool, and of course a fridge as well. And then a hair dryer, which I will not use, an ironing or hair ironing unit, which I will of course not use. Of course, an empty fridge. Well, I might have to, stack up that fridge. But let me go to the hammock. First, let me have a wash. Well. No guest until now for your single man. Here all alone in this suite. Yep, bed is messed already. Guess what? That should be a cool shot. Ooh, look at that view, guys. Look at that view. On this fine morning. I might go sometimes climb Alla Rock today. Ooh. That should be a really good thumbnail for me. Somebody has blasted off music early in the morning itself. I have no idea why, but yeah, they've done it. Well, it was a shame that last night that on the pool they put chlorine, so I couldn't have a bath like in the night. So that was a really shame. But hey, let's not complain. Got myself a Sprite bottle. This beautiful thing. Now it's time for breakfast, and let me show you what the breakfast is as well. Well, here it is, my breakfast. String hoppers, chick beans, and some fish. Well, it's time to dig in, guys. It's time to dig into this big meal. A heavy meal right here, the central hills of Sri Lanka. Well, but I still do miss Tiru's roti, like the rotis from his roti hut. I mean, I just miss it. Well, we use the hand here in Sri Lanka, and of course my face might be like effed up. The reason is, last night was I'm just having a little bit of a hangover as well. So here it is. Really good. Really good. So, as I said, that was a shame yesterday that I was not allowed to go to the pool in the night. The reason is they put chlorine, the chemical, to the pool, so that it takes, you know, overnight to, you know, to clean the pool and everything. So I'm here. Check this view. Amazing, right? Fucking love this. I love this. But there's a little catch over here. If I had to mention, look, this gets cut all the time by this bar. So of course with time, you know, it will a person who will be, you know, on this hammock will fall down. And over here it's hang to this, and that's the AC control unit on the behind. It's a cool ass Benz over there. Jesus Christ, there's a dude, a drunk dude jumped to the pool just like Free Willy. My goodness. Check this out. Amazing view. Amazing. Freaking love this. And of course, now in order to pass this, whoops, jumpy. There's some cool bean bags. Oh yeah. You know what to do when there are the bean bags? You fucking jump onto them. Oh yes, you do. Really enjoying this. Perfect. Hi. Well, as I'm in Ella, I can't leave Ella without I'm going to a place that I really know, a person that I really know, even one of the best videos that I ever did. Can you guys remember this place? This place. I mean, it's a new additional part over here, and maybe this might give you a recall. And you got a new center over here. It's gonna make some roti for me. That's gonna be my lunch. I'll see you with the roti in a bit. And I had to come just to say hi to him. And this tea is amazing, of course. I hope he has Pussellawa. Tiru, Pussellawa di no? Pussellawa di no? No pussy yet. Oh God. Well, this was not there when I first came here last year, but now the man has, you know, the business has turned up good for him. He has added this part over here. There are some few locals in this restaurant as well who stopped by on this car. Amazing, eh? I mean, of course, if you're in Ella, this is a must visit. So, well, as the hospitality in Sri Lanka gets, Thiru gave me a big bowl full of roti and some chili. I would call this a chili onion paste. Well, time to dig in. Big roti and some chili and onion onto the side. Let's dig in for the first bite. It's freaking hot. I'm gonna chunk this down. Now I'll see you guys in a bit. Well, of course, here at the tea center, Sri Lanka's finest tea. Not the Pussellawa tea. This is masala chai. Because Pussellawa is always on the run. I mean, it's always run out. The reason is more Sri Lankan men drink the Pussellawa. Well, it's time to say bye. Bye to my man. Well, as the hot tub gets ready. Look at this view, guys. As soon as I open the window, yeah, from the bathroom, look at this gorgeous view. Look at it, guys. Just look at it. Amazing. Yes, I'm gonna keep that open. And then, of course, get into the bathtub. Hello, guys. It has come to the end of this vlog. 8-bit style in the bathtub with the amazing view outside. And here is Wonderboy in the bathtub. Wonderboy in the bathtub. Enjoying a piece of luxury for just 35 bucks for 2 days.
in a suite here in Angler. The Angler view, with the view of the Angler Cap. Oof. Perfecto. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Adios.